Hey everyone, I am Arif Dixit and you are watching Connect Tech Irish English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So today we are continuing our file Python series, and in this video I am going to show you how can you run a file with how can you run a Python file. Here we have a file called hello world. The name of the file will be hello world, and make sure the extension of file will be .py. And when you will do this, you will see this and you can write hello world. Basically I am using VS Code IDE, and after that you have to just write this. You have to just write with IDLE. You can write this program with Notepad also, and you can press F5 for running this program, and it will give you hello world. But if you want to run this with command prompt, so you can open the command prompt on that directory and write Python and the file name .py, and it will run your Python file. And here we have typed print hello world, and if you haven't used VS Code, so let me tell you, it will automatically configure your IntelliSense, and this is IDE for running. And suppose I write here one Python file, it will automatically run the Python file here. It will automatically run. See, boom guys, we have our output hello world. And that's it guys, this is another video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.